the prediction of our future based upon our human psychology and the intelligence of nature itself. Now, in this video, I want to share the prediction of our future based upon the mechanism of our human psychology in combination with the intelligence of nature. Now, unlike we might have been conditioned to believe, but the intelligence of nature is actually rigged in our favor, designed to make us thrive to the fullest on every single level. And now I can hear you say, Tom, how can that even be possible, that nature would be rigged in our favor? If I keep experiencing psychological and physical disease symptoms, or when I keep seeing collapse of things? Well, it is here that the insight in the human psychology contains the explanation and why we keep having disease symptoms and the collapse of systems around us, even though the intelligence of nature is designed to make us thrive on every single level. Now, when things got too painful in our lives, each and every one of us has learned to close themselves up from their core, from their feelings, and therefore their connection with their natural intelligence, out of self-protection coping mechanism. And because we haven't learned how to solve our unsolved feelings within, we have learned instead to run away from our unsolved feelings with our constant restless thinking, escaping for solutions and distractions outside of ourselves, hoping that by running away from our core, our feelings and our natural intelligence within, it will ever bring us feelings of fulfillment and intelligence solutions outside of ourselves. The contradiction shows itself very clearly. Still, we are so busy with our external escaping mechanisms into outside solutions that we do not question this illusion. It is because we are so busy escaping in faster, in better, in bigger, in richer, in fuller, in more valuable solutions in this contradictory, unnatural, unintelligent, disease direction, that the intelligence of nature provides us with disease symptoms to make us turn around and heal from this disease direction. It is because of the intelligence of nature is rigged in our favor that when we keep giving our authentic core power and our natural intelligence away on authority or things outside of ourselves, that the things we create outside will keep collapsing. This unnatural escaping direction outside of ourselves is self-destructive. If we keep heading in that direction, we choose to keep destructing our core, our feelings, and our connection with natural intelligence, and therefore ourselves. If we keep building solutions outside of ourselves that are alienating from our connection with the natural intelligence within, those solutions will be self-destructive and will therefore come to a collapse. Now, the current and future collapse or self-destruction of these fear-based constructed outer escaping control mechanisms, the collapse of giving away our inner authority to outer top-down authority, the collapse of systems that are not aligned with the intelligence of nature within, are not a tasteless joke that life throws at us, but a very valuable gift to help us raise our consciousness and to change course and experience natural aligned intelligent love or horizontal authority designed to make each and every one of us love and thrive to the fullest. Now let's recap the prediction of our future based upon human psychology and the intelligence of nature itself. All physical and psychological disease symptoms are actually very valuable red dashboard lights warning us that we are alienating from our authentic intended core authority and our natural intelligence. All self-destructing, collapsing, escaping control systems and resulting chaos are actually making space to raise our natural intelligence, our consciousness, our love and connection to thrive through us to the fullest. We do not need to regret the collapse of unnatural, escaping, fear-based control systems or solutions. We do not have to panic while seeing the unnatural escaping control systems trying to ramp up even more into madness, because it is only a sign of its predicted approaching collapse. We do not have to fight the collapse or the chaos of those unnatural escaping control systems, even though it is the only thing we currently know. We can only choose to not cooperate with them anymore and to reconnect with our natural intelligence and our gut feelings from deep within again, designed to guide us to a natural, intelligent, loving, thriving world as future, predicted by psychology and the intelligence of nature itself. Now, to help you break free and to help you make this transition from unnatural escaping controlling systems towards complete liberation of our natural, intelligent, thriving nature, I suggest you to click here and watch the 4 free videos. Enjoy breaking free and enjoy the predicted, beautiful, loving future predicted by the human psychology and the intelligence of nature itself.